Hey guys, what's going on? Optic Elks here. You know, I was thinking, while I am busy playing this, you know, doing what I'm doing, it hit me, like, has anyone noticed that, like, you know what, nah, look, listen closely. I'm gonna shut up now. Look. Listen to when you shoot the blunder bust and when it reloads.
Enemy UAV online.
That is ridiculous. I don't know if it's an Easter egg or something, but whatever it is, I'm loving it. Hey, McDonald's. But like, that is just ridiculously good. Like, I'm not even joking. If you guys tried to notice it and it didn't work, or hearing problems or whatever the case is, if you noticed, when you reload, my friends have always been telling me, like, hey bro, the blunderbuss, when it reloads, it sounds like thunder and lightning. I'm over here like, nah, stop jiving, it can't be. I reload for myself, I listen closely. Doom doom. That is ridiculous. So now the only thing to find out is whether it's an Easter egg or not. Because no one knows if it is or it isn't. It's just an amazing thing that they've added. Sledgehammer, Michael Condrey, all of them, they're taking a huge step to what they think they can do. And honestly, it's paying off. Because who would have ever thought of a gun that's old-fashioned, was used back in the pirate days, and when you shoot and reload, in that process of reloading and shooting, you hear thunder. No Call of Duty has ever thought of that. That is amazing. Frankly, it's just too good. It's just too good. Hey, but I mean, now you know. If you ever get one of these variants, now you know when you reload. See that right there? Oh no, that was my bad. No, I don't want the breakneck. Who am I kidding? But hey, now you know when if you ever get the blunderbuss, now you know.
Squad, that was textbook.
It does what it does. You hear lightning from the skies. Think it could be raided. But hey, thanks for tuning in, and see you.